Oh boy, I can't wait to go to the toy store. They just restocked with new toys. They got new toys in? Are you ready, Buzz? We have to go before they sell out.
What are we waiting for? Let's get going.
All right, to the toy store. Hey guys, welcome to the AWESMR toy store. Take a look around, and if you see anything you like, just bring it over to the cash register and I'll ring you up. All right, boys, you heard him. Let's split up and meet back here when we're done shopping. I can't wait to see what they have in store.
Godspeed, gentlemen. You guys have some awesome toys. I'm ready to check out.
All right, let me quickly ring you up. So it looks like you're buying a Marvel Spider-Man Mashems. Let's find out the cost. Okay, that's $1.50. And it looks like you're also getting this Num Noms mystery makeup. Let's see. This is going to cost you $3.50. Okay, so your total comes out to $5. How would you like to pay?
Here you go.
Awesome! Buzz is paying in cash and he gave us exactly $5. So we're all finished here. Let's put this in the cash register. Thanks for shopping with us. Come back again soon.
I can't wait to see what I find in the surprise toys.
Let's help Buzz open the surprise toys he just bought. We'll start with this Spider-Man Mashems. Today we got Spider-Woman. Now let's check out this Num Noms mystery makeup. Today we got Yummy Frosty and Bunny Bun. Here's a closer look at Yummy Frosty. And let's see what kind of makeup Yummy Frosty is. Oh, nice! This one's a body spray. Let's see how well it works. Pretty awesome! It smells really good too. And here's a closer look at Bunny Bun. Bunny Bun is also a gloss. And here's how the gloss looks. Alright, I'm ready to check out. Okay, let me ring you up. Your first item is a Peppa Pig surprise. This is going to cost you $2. Your second item is a Toy Story 4 blind bag. Let's see how much this is. It's $2.50. And your last item is a Lost Kitties Mice Mania. This is going to cost you $4. So your total comes out to $8.50. How would you like to pay? I'd like to pay with this. Alright, Ducky gave us his credit card. Let me just swipe your card and you'll be good to go. Awesome! Thanks for shopping with us and come again soon. Let's open these toys up and see what we get. Okay, let's help Ducky open his surprise toys. We'll start with this Peppa Pig one. Today we got Peppa Pig. Here's a closer look at Peppa Pig. Now let's check out this Toy Story 4 blind bag. Today we got Duke Kaboom. Alright, now let's open this Lost Kitties Mice Mania. Here's our first surprise character. It's Dozy. Let's see what else we got. Here's a giant Lost Kitties Mice Mania poster. It's a Dozy comic strip. Now let's squeeze out this cheese and find our last two surprise characters. Give me a minute. Awesome! Here's Yo. And this is also Yo. So it's Yo and Yo. Alright, so it looks like Dozy wants to sleep, but Yo and Yo want to play with him. That's pretty cute. You guys have a great selection of toys today. Thanks. Now let me ring you up. Start by scanning this Pick Me Pops Pick Me Flips. This is going to cost you $2.50. Now let's see how much this Troll Series 7 blind bag is. That's going to cost you $1.50. Now let me scan this My Little Pony toy and I'll tell you your total. That's $3, so your total is going to be $7. How would you like to pay? I'll pay in cash. Okay, let's see if we have to give Woody any change. Here's 1, 2, and 7. Nope, he gave us exactly $7. Let's put the money in the register. Awesome! Thanks for stopping by. Come back again soon. I can't wait to open all these surprise toys. Let's help Woody open his new surprise toys. Start with this Troll's blind bag. Today we got a troll with orange skin, green hair, a teal nose, and she's wearing a teal dress. Now let's check out this Pick Me Pops Pick Me Flips. Here's our pineapple plush doll. Let's flip this inside out to see who our Pick Me Flip is. Awesome! We got Bert the turtle. Bert has a pineapple shell. That's pretty cool. Now let's check out this My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew collectible, and then we'll call it a day. Pull this string. It's a party. Look who came to the party. It's Applejack. And our giant accessory is this pink popsicle. Let's put Applejack right here. And it's an ice cream party. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!